Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am participating of a Winter Wonderland collaboration and I am so excited to be collaborating with these wonderful talented ladies. It is being hosted by Simply Becky DIY with Becky and the Junker Nigger DIY with Leah. I'll have their channels linked in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure that you visit these ladies. They are very talented and you will be able to get so many ideas from the playlist. So make sure to visit every single one of them. And now let's get started with our first DIY. Beginning with these two snowflakes from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat of white chalk paint. And I'm gonna do the same thing to both of them. I started off distressing it with this beige color and I did the same thing to both of the snowflakes. But later on, I came back and I went really heavy with a metallic gold paint, and you'll see later on when I show you the final reveal. And this little glass is for a tea candle. I'm going to take some of this jute twine and I'm going to wrap it around it several times. I have two of them and I'm going to do the exact same thing to both of them. And these are 1-inch corner brackets. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it right on top of this beautiful snowflake. And this is what is going to hold this glass jar. I'm gonna go ahead and use some hot glue and glue it right here on top of this bracket. And I'm gonna do the same thing to both of the snowflakes. Look at how beautiful. This is a little candle holder. And this one I didn't put no jute twine, only so you could see which one you like better, with or without. And this round plaque I found at Michael's, and I believe it was 3 in a package for like $14. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put tape right in the middle, and one half I am going to be painting with white chalk paint, and then the other one I'm going to be painting it with the metallic gold paint. And that's the same metallic gold paint that I went back to both of the snowflakes and I distressed it very heavily. You'll see in the final reveal. And now it is completely dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the tape. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the tape right back on the other side right here. And then now we are ready to go ahead and paint the next half with that metallic gold paint. And now it it is completely finished, I'm gonna go ahead, remove the tape, put this plaque to the side, and I'm coming back with this snowflake ornament. So I'm gonna take all these embellishments out, and the middle, I'm gonna take that same gold metallic paint, and the black and white section, I'm going to be painting it. And I want to just go ahead and remind you of the playlist. Don't forget to visit Becky, Leah, along with that playlist. And please don't forget to give these talented ladies a lot of love. They have so much inspiration for you. So the entire border, I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat with this white chalk paint. So these snowflakes, I'm giving it one coat with white chalk paint, and after they are already dry, I'm going to come in with a diamond, and I'm going to place one diamond in the center of the snowflake. And as you can see, everything is nice and dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and start assembling this beautiful piece together. The snow, I'm going to go ahead with some hot glue, and I'm going to place it on the white section of this round plaque. And now for these beautiful snowflakes with some more hot glue, I'm going to glue all three of them in the bottom section. And later on, I'm going to go ahead and put those two diamonds that I told you before. So now with this nautical rope and a lots of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put it right back here. And like that, we could just go ahead and hang it up on the wall. And off camera, I made this beautiful bow. And I'm going to go ahead with some hot glue, glue it right above that snow ornament. And it is not Christmas if you don't have any bells. So I'm going to take 3 bells and I'm going to put them right on top of this bow in the middle. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And of course, I'm going to be showing you the final reveal at the end of the video. And if you are liking any of these videos, will you take a moment and give me that big thumbs up? It will help my channel. And look at these beautiful fluffy stockings. I have some of this greenery left over from I don't know how many years ago, and I took a little bunch, tied them together with some jute twine, a little bit of hot glue, and that is it. And I also put a piece of cardboard inside the stockings so they can be stiff. I did the same thing to the second stocking. I have 2 of these folders. I'm going to go ahead and create a cone, and then I'm going to use some Scotch tape. I'm going to tape it together. Once done, I'm going to come in with the scissors and I'm going to go ahead and trim the bottom. And then I have this chunky yarn, and with some hot glue, I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping the entire cone, creating a beautiful chunky white Christmas tree. And I'll be making 2 identical Christmas trees. purchased these metal stars at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on top with plenty of hot glue. This is it, guys. I'm gonna be showing you the final reveal. I hope you consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video.